Hi all. So this is 7.1 match index sheet 2 where what is the name of sheet? Two dimensional index match. So my request to all of you, whenever I'll give you any of the sheet, you have to look at the sheet name also. Sheet name automatically signify that what kind of work you have to do, what kind of formulas are to be used, what type of concepts are to be used, what is expected from you. So here it is clearly mentioned that you have to use index match, and which kind of index match you have to use? You have to use two dimensional index match. Means whenever you are looking for the value, you have to select the entire table, right? And when we talk about entire table, it means you have to give row number as well as column number. Means you have to use match for row number as well as column number. And you very well know that match always return the relative position of a text which you are looking for, and wherever it is lying in the particular array, or you can say particular reference, from there it checks ki whenever the value is matching, it will be going to return you either row number or a column number, and from the intersection of that row number and column number you will be able to extract the value using index function, right? So what is given over here? If you look at the problem statement, first of all look at the problem statement. What is the data set which is given to you? The data set is saying you are having different type of vehicles, and which are in the sale. First vehicle is car, trucks, SUVs and hybrids, and these sales amount are being given in various cells, and these cells are having the detail of particular month. Like in January month, car sale was this, truck sale was this, SUV sale was this, hybrid sale was this. Similarly in February month, then March month, April month, May month, June month. So in various month, what is the sale amount of various vehicles are being given. Okay, fine. Same reference is being given over here. What is being asked? So you are given month, right? Where are the month? Month are in a particular column. Month are in particular column. So if you're looking for some month, you should know the row number. For getting the particular month, you are required to know the row number, right? Row number. Now see what is given second. Second is type, vehicle type. So where the vehicle types are being given, this is vehicle type 1, vehicle type 2, vehicle type 3, vehicle type 4. Where these are given? These are given in various columns. These are given in various columns. So to know where this particular vehicle is lying, you should know the column number. Once you know the column number, you can extract the sale amount from the intersection of that row number and column number. So if I see over here, February is lying in second row and truck is lying in second column. So 2 comma 2 means second row and second column. So from where the value will be picking, you will be picking the value from the intersection of row and column, that is this. So this is what we are going to do. So to extract this value, you need index function. You need index function. And to extract row number and column number, you need match function. Because match returned the position and index returned the value. With this, I hope you understand the background. With this concept, we are going to start working on Excel. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now see what you will do. You will now write a formula over here. So first of all, we see how to get the row number. I am writing over here equals to match. What is the value you are looking for? You are looking for this particular month. Where you will look in this particular row. Which kind of match you will be doing? Exact. And you press enter. What is coming? 2. Now see, for column number again you will use match. Which value you are looking? This vehicle type you are looking. Where you will search in various columns which are lying in a particular row. What kind of match you will be doing? Exact. What it is coming to. Now here already data validation list is being made. If you go for June, June is 6 and truck is 2. It means this June 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. And from where we have to pick the value? From the column 2. 1, 2. So this index will be going to extract this value. How we will see now, right? How we will see? We'll write a formula for this. Okay, fine. I hope you understand this. Now come over here. What we'll do? We'll say equals to index. As it is two-dimensional, it means we have to select the entire table because it's a two-dimensional index match, right? I'm selecting the entire table column. First, I will look for the row number. Row number I am going to get from the month which is given over here. Month I will be searching in this particular column. Which kind of search I'll be doing? Exact. It will be going to return the row number. Now I have to look for column number. So for column number the vehicle type is given over here. I'll be searching where? I'll be searching in this particular row. Comma, which kind of match I'll be doing? Exact. I'll be closing it. See, 6 comma 2 1990. This is June truck. June is this and truck is this. So just a minute, I have to freeze also. So I went freeze. I'll freeze it. I'll freeze it. I'll freeze it because whenever it is searching, it has to move from left to right and right to left. So cell addresses relatively should not get changed. So that is why I am just freezing it, because earlier it was one dimensional but this time it is two dimensional. So it will keep on moving from here to there. So June and trucks. June and trucks. Why the value is coming wrong? Somewhere I am seeing that the value is coming wrong. So let me see why. B1. B1 A6 to 6 is perfectly right. Then I am saying B2. B2 I am looking over here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 is this. So it is giving value from somewhere else. So let me check how we can check what this match is returning. So I'll select it is returning 2, which is absolutely right. Now I'll say what it is returning. It should return 6. This match should return 6. So what it is returning? 6. This is also fine. 6 comma 2. 6 comma 2. That is 16,000. So what this particular returning? Okay, this is returning. This particular is returning 19. So June, for June I did, I think somewhere mistake, A6 to E11. So in this 6 to A6. Okay, this I did a mistake. I have to take B6. Right, I have to take B6 because I have to pick the value only, and now the answer is correct. So to cross check also, right, it's not like this, if something is coming you are getting the value and you are not cross checking. What mistake I did, I selected from A6. I want to select from A6. I have to select only values. So the selection should be from where I have to pick the values. It should be from B6 to E11. Now see, it is B6 to E11. This is the area where all the numbers are being given. I have to extract from here. Earlier I have selected the month also. So months are not to be selected, right? So this is how you have to do. Again, see, these match functions are returning absolutely right value. It is returning 2, small 2 is written over here. See, this match is returning 6. This is also absolutely right. Where was the problem? The problem was in the area in the table array from where I have to pick the value. So here, see, these all are the ranges. If you look over here, these all are, it is showing me the range. See, these ranges are being. So it is to be start from this B6, right? And I have selected earlier A6. So never ever just hesitate in cross checking and accepting that there is some error which you have to rectify, because once you come to know about the error and you rectify in life, you never will be going to do that particular mistake, right? So this is what I hope understand. Now I have written the formula over here also, which again will be making enable you to understand from where I have to pick up the value B6 to E11. So where is B6? This is B and this is 6. So this is from B6 to E11. This is the area, this entire area from where I am going to extract the output. From where I am going to extract the output. Right? This is the area. Okay, fine. Then what I am matching? I am matching B1. Where this B1 is given? This is the B1. Where I am looking in A6 to A11. Where is A6 to A11? This is A6 to A11. Where all the months are being given. So it will going to give me the position of a month. Then I have to look for column number. For column number, what I have to match? B2, where the vehicle type is being given. Where I will be going to look for this value? B5 to E5. So this is B5 to E5. So it is returning me the column number, it is returning me the row number. Wherever it is intersecting, from there it is picking the value and returning me. So I hope till this you are able to understand what formula I have written over here. So again, because you said that in video you are not able to see what formula I have written, so I am showing you, but I expect that you are writing the formula by your own. As I am dissecting the formula, similarly you are dissecting and you will be going to do it. Now move further. Here type is given, month is given, and if firstly this type is given and then month is given, and you have to look for the value from here. No issues. See, arrangement is exactly same. Here also the arrangement is vertical. Here also the arrangement is vertical, and here also arrangement is vertical. What they did, they have mentioned the vehicle type first. Where is the vehicle type? These all are the vehicle types. Where they are lying in column. It means the match which will be matching the vehicle will be coming as a column number which is given first, to just confuse you or to check whether you are very good in concept or not. And see here, months are given over here which are in the particular column, so where a particular month is coming, for that I need to know the row number, so they simply return it in the second position. So they have done vice versa. Wherever it will be intersecting, like SUV, where it is lying in this particular column, right? And where this May is lying in this particular row. So where it is going to intersect, this is the cell where it is going to intersect. So it has to return value as 22,68,246. How we'll be getting this? Will be learning now that how we'll be going to combine index and match. Match returns value and index returns position and index return value. Fine. So one by one we'll see. Again we see what number it is returning. Match. I am going to match this. Where I am going to match? I am going to match in these all vehicle types which are written in different column. Match type will be my exact. So it is 3. SUV 1, 2, 3. It is in the third position. Again see match. I am going to look for the month. I will be going to look for the month in a column, comma, match will be exact. Okay, this is 5. So see, May, where it is lying? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth position, and this is 6. And where this vehicle is lying? 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 3. Here it is lying, and here it is lying. Where it will like intersect, here it will be going to intersect. So this value should be the return value which will be going through index. So this time we will not be going to do the mistake in writing the reference of index as we did earlier. We will say equals to index. From where we have to pick the value? From here we have to pick the value where all the values are being given, comma, match. I have to match first of row. For row, this H2 column is to be selected. Comma. From where I have to look for the value? From this column. I'll freeze it. comma, match will be 0. I'll freeze this lookup value also. Lookup value also. See, red to red is of first match. Now I am looking for column number. So column number is given on H1. I'll freeze it, comma, these all are the column. Again I'll freeze it, comma, 0, close. So this red of second match, and this is of final index. Now check what is it is returning first match. What it is returning me? 3. See, 3 is written over here also. Now see, oh no, I have deleted the formula by mistake. I'm writing it again, no issues. जितनी बार हम लिखेंगे उतनी ही हमारी प्रैक्टिस होगी, और एक बार हमारा अगर हाथ बैठ गया तो हम फटाफट जल्दी जल्दी भी लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमें पता है कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं और कहाँ से हमें वैल्यू को पिक करना है. So it will not take time. It's a 1 minute job. It is a 1 minute job. If you are very clear about the concept, you can do it. Practice makes a man perfect, so you have to keep on practicing. Most important thing is you have to practice again and again. So first of all I press enter and then I make you understand what it is returning. See, it is returning 5. So 5 is written over here also. What this particular index is having? This particular index is having all the numbers starting from 10 lakh till rest of the numbers. So if I select the entire index function, what it is returning me? 22,68,246. So this is the value which I am getting here also, right? So again you say formula text, and you just have this formula by the edges in the adjacent cell, so that whenever you want to see, you can see also, and you can cross check what is going on. We are looking for the value, or picking the value, or extracting the value from H6 to K11, whereas this is H and this is 6, right? From H6 to K11. Okay, fine. Then we are matching H2. Where this H2? This is H2. Where we are matching G6 to G11. So this is G6 to G11. This is 11. This is 6. And this is G. Right? Again, we are matching H1. Where H1? H1 is lying over here. From what all values we are matching? H5 to K5. So where is H5? See, this is H5. So H5 to K5. This is H5 to K5. So these all are the values which are in the fifth row. And this is how we extracted the value. One very beautiful thing which you have to understand, that how dynamic it is. When I select anything else from here, in spite of SUV, if I select cars, it will change the value. If I select hybrids, it will change the value, right? And you can do conditional formatting also, so that you can come to know that how the things are moving. So this is about 7.1 sheet 2. Thank you.